Beautiful. This is a really good activity to do with your kids. I urge you to try it and let me know how much you enjoyed it. Hi, my name is Anna. I've been baking for the past 20 years. I've developed a passion for baking from my Italian parents. So join me for some delicious, quick, authentic recipes. I have hundreds to choose from and to share with you. So whether you're just starting out or have an interest in baking, follow me and we'll get inspired. Hi, benvenuti. Today we're making birthday cookie cake. For this recipe, you will need butter, sugar, brown sugar, eggs, sprinkles, salt, baking soda, flour, icing sugar, and vanilla. I'll have the full recipe at the end. We're going to start by creaming our butter with sugars and a splash of vanilla. And we're going to use our mixer. So we're going to start creaming those together. Okay, so you're going to scrape down your bowl. So once your butter and sugars are creamed, you're going to add your eggs. Mix that well. Your eggs all incorporated, and you're going to add your flour, and your salt and baking soda. And remember, just start with the first speed. Okay, so your batter is ready, your cookie dough is ready. And we're going to fold in the sprinkles. You don't want to overmix, and that's why we fold it in. This is such an easy recipe. It's like making chocolate chip cookies or any blondie cookie. Make sure you get to the bottom. Okay, so your cookie dough is ready. I have a larger scoop, and I'm just going to get 2 heaping scoops. There we go. Now you can press them down, but I have a mold here that I'm going to press right into that. We want to have almost the right size once they bake. There you go. And just press and release. There we go. Those 2 are ready. Actually, I'm going to put 1. There we go. I have a larger tray, and I'm going to put them all on there because they need space to grow. This is such an easy cake to make. It's fun for any occasion. There we go. And again, you want it to grow, but you don't want it to touch the edges. So just press down. You can pick these up anywhere that you would pick up any of your baking supplies. Really a fast, quick, easy cake. Okay, so we're going to put this one in first. For 12 minutes. There we go. And there's your cookie, all ready. So our cookies are ready, and while they're cooling, we're going to mix our buttercream. We're going to cream our butter first, and then we're going to add our icing sugar. Get our butter nice and soft. We're going to add our icing sugar. And remember, start slow. You don't want icing sugar everywhere. Remember to always scrape the side of the bowl. Make sure everything gets incorporated. So I'm going to add a splash of vanilla. Okay, our buttercream is ready. So our cookies are ready, our buttercream is ready. We're gonna assemble it really easy on a cake stand. I have a piping bag that I'm gonna put a tip, and you could use any decorative tip that you would like. And it works just the same. So again, make sure you keep your bag nice and clean. Also, a tip that I like sharing is never fill your piping bag too full, because then it's going to be hard for you to handle it. I also like to put just a little bit of buttercream so your cookies don't move around. You're going to place your cookie right there. You kind of gauge it. And just pipe buttercream all around. And grab another one. Press it just slightly. I've chosen to make this cookie cake with buttercream, but you could also make it with ice cream or whipping cream. So it depends if you want something a bit lighter. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to layer the other cookie on top. There we go. Make sure it's nice and centered. It doesn't really matter because it's a showstopper anyways. Everyone's gonna just be concentrating on looking at the beauty of this cake. And then our top layer goes on top. And this is a really nice idea to make for a kid's birthday party. Get a few of the kids together, an activity that they'll all enjoy. And then I'm gonna just finish it off with a bit of sprinkles. Okay, so I have another one I'm gonna put together. I wanted just to show you, you could do the border of your buttercream, and instead of swirling buttercream all over the cookie, I do the outer and then just dollop right there. I put a few chocolate chips. Put my other one on. Again, I'm going outer because I want to see the buttercream. Again, make sure it's all even. I'm going to finish it off with the top layer of buttercream. And this one you just, I'm going to put sprinkles on this one. A few chocolate chips. Again, you can do whatever you like. It's another idea how to decorate it. Okay, and you can also just do little rosettes. Beautiful. This is a really good activity to do with your kids. I urge you to try it and let me know how much you enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Your support is encouraging.